In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make $2,000 a day with simple copy and paste strategy using a Google trick. It's worldwide, absolutely free to get started. You do not need any experience. I'm going to show you step by step. Make sure you watch till the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe. As we all know, there are many different ways to make money online. On this video today, I'm going to show you our website that is going to give you so many different opportunities to make money online, because they have lots of work and you can do this at home and work from home. You do not have to do a lot of work. You're going to love this if you want to make money online. I want you to look at this website. It's called moneypaintyou.com, where you can get a lots of simple tips and tricks on how to make money online. This is a fantastic website that's going to teach you everything if you want to make money online. Once you scroll down here, there's tons of ways to choose from, and they teach you how to make money online. And when you come over here, they're gonna teach you how to save money and lots of hacks and other good stuff. And this here, it's a lots of freebies to make money online. It's a fantastic website to check out. I highly encourage you to check out this website, and I'm going to show you how you can use this website to make thousands of dollars. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go to moneypaintyou.com, get paid to write, where you can get paid, where you can get $50 to $3,000 per blog post, and you can get paid writing simple surveys and short stories or blog posts, stuff like that. Once you scroll down here, you see a lots of options to choose from. This website is gonna pay you $150. Once you scroll down here, you'll see other ways as well that's going to pay you. This website is going to pay you $50 to $200. Once you click on the website, you can see how to do that, what topic it's on. When you scroll down over here, you'll see this website will pay you $1 per word. Let's say if you writing about 500 words, they're going to pay you $500 just for that. When you scroll down here, there's lots of sites that's going to pay you right about general interest, something that's going to interest you. Let's say when you click down here and you scroll down, when you read it, 450 to 650 words, you're going to get paid $100 to $300 just for that. When you scroll down here, you'll see tons of other options to choose from. I'm going to show you now the ways how you can make money online just by writing simple blog posts. I want you to go to fiverr.com and type blog post. You see a lot of gigs on blog post. Over here, $75 just for a simple blog post, $100. And you can also go to upwork.com, where you can get paid just by writing simple blog posts. I'm going to show you how to do that without even writing, and I'm going to show you where you're going to get some information and source to write your blog post. I want you to go to quora.com. We're not going to post or anything like that. What we're going to do is we're going to type. What we're going to do is we're going to look for a topic. So for example, how to lose weight fast. Then you click on that. You'll see tons of articles that looks very professional, where you can write that into your own words. For example, this article has photos and other stuff. So this is more than 450 words. So all we need is 450 words. How are you going to write that in your own words? This is where the Google trick comes in. So what I want to do is I want you to go to Google Docs and create a blank page. While you do that, it's going to look like this. I want you to click on tools and click on voice typing. If you're on your computer, make sure your microphone is connected. If you're on your phone, you do not need a microphone for that. What you want to do is you want to simply speak out. It will transcribe for you. So I'm going to click on that. The fast way to lose weight is to exercise and drink plenty of water. So I'm going to pause that. As you can see, it got exactly what I said. This is not gonna be 100% accurate. You're gonna have to come back and fix some of these things. I'm going to show you other websites. Where you can get paid to write. So what you want to do is go on Google and type get paid to write. See tons of other ways to get paid for writing simple short blog post. So I'm going to click on that. So when you click on that, it's going to show you lots of websites then that's going to pay you lots of money just by writing simple blog posts. This website is going to pay you $500 and many others. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Until then, stay safe.